Minister Lakman Rimboe distributes children and adolescent library and digital infrastructure equipment. And the All India Malayali Association Meghalaya State Unit and Kala Kaireli hosts Onam Festival 2025. Here's the news detail. In a national address today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced the launch of the GST Vachat Utsav, or the GST Savings Festival, coinciding with the beginning of Navratri. He declared that the implementation of the next generation GST reforms will come into effect from tomorrow at sunrise. Prime Minister Modi emphasized that these reforms will lead to greater household savings and make essential products more affordable. He highlighted that the initiative will be a major boost for all sections of society, including the poor, middle class, farmers, women, small traders and entrepreneurs.
यानी नवरात्रि के प्रथम दिवस 22 सितंबर को सूर्योदय के साथ ही नेक्स्ट जनरेशन जीएसटी रिफॉर्म्स लागू हो जाएंगे। एक तरह से कल से देश में जीएसटी बचत उत्सव शुरू होने जा रहा है।
Yangnam Government College marked its 59th Foundation Day with a vibrant celebration attended by Deputy Chief Minister Sneoba Langdar. As chief guest, he announced the donation of 50 laptops for faculty use and revealed that a 25 crore rupee detailed project report for infrastructure redevelopment is underway. The Deputy Chief Minister also inaugurated beautification works, including footpaths and internal roads, and opened a new two-wheeler parking facility for students. At the college multi-purpose hall, he felicitated NEHU rank holders, honored PhD scholars and presented Silver Jubilee Service Awards to 12 non-teaching staff.
Celebration of the 59 days, not that much important, according to me. Very, very important that the long journey that our previous leader has come till up to this stage. And I have to thank to all of them, all the ex-professor, the ex-lecturer, the ex-teacher, the ex-student. And because of them that we are here today, we are able to celebrate this celebration in this venue. Now the DPR is under process for renovation of all these colleges. More likely, I thought of sanctioning within this financial year between 20 to 25 crore in this college. Maybe in the upcoming national games, we are going to do so many good things in this college.
Education Minister Lakman Rimboe distributed children and adolescent library and digital infrastructure equipment to 13 villages under the Amlarem CNRD block during a meeting at the block office. The distributed resources included bookshelves, computers with UPS, tables and chairs aimed at strengthening early education. Rimboe emphasized the government's commitment to building a strong educational foundation and adapting learning to modern needs. Block Development Officer Dr. D. Lingdo highlighted that the initiative is part of the Part 7 scheme, with Amlarem block hosting 13 of Meghalaya's 750 digital libraries.
Dapat yang kesakam makhluk hai kini ki nyau tuli ki sistem ki berdalai. Dapat ki kawi pi ke step. Kamon yo ai. Ya kita ki nongchong chnong ki wa chat ki wa nang ki nongchong chnong ki wa em kata ki wa yo kata kasap ko kamon yo im ki de ki kuman ki assets nemta ke stik yang i. Yedi ba sarkar nyau spa san phau tuli the sanction ni kleng ki thau. Kenito namta ki nongchong chnong yang i kenito namta ke menrit yang ini ba kan ni ke perthai em kam dang thian you update yagi khang ti yang i to to kan ka mobile em kam educate ki kamon nadu upurekot hadu kamon PMKM ye kini kilat kiwa ki teknologi themme ye ti bha sarkar de pelot ka.
The 32nd annual Get Together of Harmony, All Faith Prayer Meet, organized by the Central Puja Committee, Meghalaya, in collaboration with Ramakrishna Mission Shillong, was held at the Puja Mandap Hall in Mukhra. Governor C.H. Vijay Shankar attended the event as chief guest, and in his address, the governor emphasized the spirit of Durga Puja as a celebration of unity and virtue, while expressing concern over rising social issues like drug abuse, TB, HIV and cancer among youth. Youth leader Dr. Alisha Marba Rani spoke on the inclusive role of youth in promoting harmony. The event was attended by Cabinet Minister Sanbor Shulai, Swami Hitakamananandji Maharaj, Naba Bhattacharji and others.
You see here in Meghalaya, not only in Meghalaya, in entire country this issue is there. But here also the main and the issue, the social problem and obligation on part of we people is TB. Why they suffer out of TB? And some of them, when I call the heads of the health department, when I used to conduct the meeting, some of them, you see, whenever they bring the report, some of them they suffer. One said the HIV, and the said TB. Same person, same personality. They suffer out of both of the diseases. How he can maintain himself? How he can live? How he can lead? How he can survive?
The Dorbar Shnong of Shnong Padeng has voiced serious concern over the negative impact of ongoing agitations and deteriorating road conditions on local tourism. Speaking to the press on Saturday, General Secretary Dappor Sinkrem highlighted that domestic tourist arrivals, reaching up to 1,500 per day, have been vital for sustaining livelihoods in the area. Sinkrem pointed to recent protests by the All Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association as disruptive, urging the government to take proactive steps to safeguard tourism, especially in rural regions.
Ngidawai nagsorka ba kadai ban simkia ya kilo kimat kiba ta khamtam ya jakopo jong kinong sumsuno namalada kun kinagi jingjia kinangmi nagawai ko suwai por kan ta simun yagi namaradu menta ni sati sathai doki kisnong gibun nadu kisnong den gidauki gidarang kidai ki bulu ki ba lastang berinja kadang-kadang jingka mai tulis.
Cabinet Minister and MLA of Jowai constituency, Wailat Miki Shila, was felicitated by the Dorbar Pulun Mukhla in a ceremony held at Dorbar Hall, Mukhla Right Pulun. The event celebrated his recent appointment as Cabinet Minister and was chaired by Dorbar President Hamran Shila, with support from local women's organizations including Sen Manbe Sen Right Mukhla and Sen Kantu Dorbar Nyamtre Mukhla Umlangshor. Shila, a native of Mukhla village, expressed heartfelt gratitude, stating his preference to receive blessings from his home community before accepting accolades elsewhere. The Federation of Khasi Jainte and Garo people, also known as the FKJGP, Bhoirambong Circle, led by President Boy Kurba, conducted an inspection drive in Bhoirambong and Umroi to verify trading licenses of non-local traders. The team uncovered several cases of businesses operating without valid licenses or proper identification, including missing epic cards. FKJGP leaders condemned the alleged violations, stating they undermined laws protecting indigenous traders.
Ngilap mo ni Sibon kijing tuna. Kamtam mo ba kabede bat ka labor license na po this council kibon ki bamiasim su manta kilaile online ben kiyo da ka ba online bet kan bujing yang iru kan bujing ru ya kiba ya kibede ben check nomor ba pi yang ne kini kita karne ki sule online kim non kam ya police verification kila syu ari om to ki epic kim non kam re lada ki don kam kumno kini ki bom dan epic ki yo ya ka labor license din ta kada ba nakaliang jo kaseng ida banjur ya ka council keberipet ya kini ki labor license bagi day ban pet parman bagi day ban check nakapor kenapa kum kini ki nong bela nabar kinom yo bandung pathar sepo ka jela ka jongi.
The All India Malayali Association Meghalaya State Unit and Kala Kaireli hosted the Onam Festival 2025 at the Aurobindo Institute of Indian Culture in Biva Road, Shillong. Meghalaya Governor C.H. Vijay Shankar attended the event as chief guest, joined by East Khasi Deputy Commissioner R.M. Kurba and other dignitaries. The day-long celebration featured vibrant cultural performances, including Bharatnatyam, songs and dancers, along with the felicitation of achievers from various fields. Governor Vijay Shankar praised the festival's message of unity and lauded the organizers for promoting cultural harmony. Achiever Awards were presented to T.C. Chako, Rajivan P. and Sister Rose Kaya Tinkara for their contributions to society.
Legislative Assembly has impact beyond the state level and contribute to the national discourse.
At the celebration of Onam, I extend my warm greetings and best wishes to all of you on this happy occasion. Onam is not a festival, it is not a festival of Kerala, but a celebration of peace, prosperity and togetherness rooted in the story of King Mahabali.
The Central Puja Committee, Garo Hills, held a heartfelt floral tribute in memory of Northeast cultural icon Zubeen Garg on Saturday evening near Parade Ground in Tura. The event drew a large crowd of fans, music lovers and well-wishers who gathered to honor the late artist's enduring legacy. CPC leaders described Garg as the everlasting voice of the Northeast, whose music and cultural contributions will continue to inspire generations. At a time when job opportunities are scarce, 22-year-old Pinskemlang Rinja is making waves as a young entrepreneur in Meghalaya. With a vision to bring cleanliness right to people's doorsteps, he founded Suba Cleaning Services, a company that's redefining the cleaning industry. Here's a report.
From window cleaning, car washing and carpet care to water tank cleaning, lawn maintenance, even cleanups and outdoor pressure washing, Suba Cleaning Services offers a wide range of solutions. Speaking to DD News, Rinjak shared that the idea first struck him in class 11, inspired by a friend who cleaned windows during winter. Entrepreneurship classes and Swayam courses helped him shape that idea into a business. Today, his team includes 15 staff members.
Suba Cleaning Services ni kuat ban fokus betang ya ke cleaning. Muli benginya milai jak tung lang bat kiwe kam katu kan penjenjar kan yang ngir ban manage kumno ban le kumno ban kam penjanaya ke kam ladangi keta lang si kiwe ke kam kan kam e dan re haka Suba Cleaning Services ni pelet jengmut betang haka ban pen khoj pila ban phone chingi ban contact ini pila ban siam na Google ngila le ka Google listing business te pila ban wat bet Suba Cleaning Services pat kan sami ang tu.
Rinjak's dream does not stop here. He plans to expand his services across the state and explore innovative teaching techniques to empower others. One of his clients, Damir Wanmi Suchang, owner of B Cafe, praised the team's dedication and professionalism. He also encouraged other young people to pursue entrepreneurship, emphasizing the importance of respecting and dignifying all forms of labor.
Hakapor bengi pli gini ka cafe kawai ka ba ngi siam jinge kalong ba kinong pengkuat ti kumta nang ilawat sini setai tengah kan ma voidon iwi perlok ibadan jinge dei bat ka ni ka berkini ki kena kinong pengkuat ke bagi ai kerteng ka suba cleaning service tengah yo ke contact jengki kan ti kumta nga pawan ti hadian bagi wan hadian bagi lale ke kam tengah internet sya ke kam kalong ka ba kum kerteng mo kalong ba kuat ke bagi suba ti ngasuhun ma ke kam jengki.
Staff members and students, Per Naki Maulong, recalled their first assignment in Pithor. He shared that working part-time with Suba Cleaning Services has helped him meet his daily needs while continuing his education.
Ki kamanta MEGHALAYA li part-time job kilong tang duna pelat ka kam hi ngim dei bali ran namar kalong ka ik ba ajma toy ngi te la dang li ran ka penduk jma toy yang ngi simet kam da dei hiru kam ka bakia kalong kam basuk ti om da don kam jing li ran jingi namar dangi la trei hi kam ngi la sung tu untuk kalong jing ma toy ngi.
Bureau Report DD News MEGHALAYA.
And now for the weather. First, let's look at the report in Tura, where the minimum temperature was 24 degrees Celsius with the maximum at 29 degrees Celsius and relative humidity at 76%. Rainfall was measured at 2 millimeters. In Shillong, the minimum temperature was 18 degrees Celsius with the maximum at 24 degrees Celsius and relative humidity at 79%. Rainfall was heavier at 11 millimeters. Meanwhile, in July, the minimum temperature was 18 degrees Celsius with the maximum at 24 degrees Celsius with relative humidity of 77%. Rainfall came in at 12 millimeters. The forecast in Tura, Shillong and July say moderate rain and thunder showers are likely to occur at most places. And now for a quick recap of today's top stories. Prime Minister Narendra Modi announces the implementation of new GST reforms from tomorrow. Gyeongnangba Government College marks its 59th Foundation Day with a vibrant celebration. Education Minister Lakman Rimbui distributes children and adolescent library and digital infrastructure equipment. And the All India Malayalis Association Meghalaya State Unit and Kala Kaireli hosts Onam Festival 2025. And with that, we come to the end of today's news edition. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a good evening.